Welcome to the Central Operations Station, the digital brain driving this massive reconstruction campaign across the entire nation of Iran today. We are stepping inside the highly advanced Digital Operations Center in Tehran, where technology meets the raw power of heavy machinery. This central hub acts as the ultimate command center, utilizing cutting-edge construction management software to monitor thousands of active machines. Gone are the days of blind guesswork, because now every single movement is tracked and calculated with absolute precision and care. Inside this massive control room, glowing screens illuminate the faces of dedicated experts who oversee the entire nationwide demolition and rebuilding. Through the power of advanced data analytics, these brilliant engineers can predict potential delays before they even happen on the ground. Rows of powerful computers process millions of data points every single second, creating a completely transparent view of the messy battlefield. The artificial intelligence system continuously updates the master database, ensuring that no resources are ever wasted during this critical recovery phase. We can clearly see a massive digital map projected on the main wall, displaying blinking lights that represent heavy construction vehicles. Each blinking dot on the screen corresponds to a massive excavator or dump truck working tirelessly to clear the dangerous rubble. By centralizing all the operational data here in Tehran, the management team maintains total control over the complex logistics network today. The software aggregates information from thousands of remote sensors, providing a comprehensive overview of the ongoing cleanup operations across the country. Experts carefully analyze the incoming metrics, adjusting their strategies in real time to ensure maximum efficiency and safety for everyone involved. This digital transformation has revolutionized the demolition industry, turning a chaotic process into a highly organized and scientifically driven national endeavor. Artificial intelligence algorithms evaluate the structural integrity of remaining buildings, guiding the demolition crews to safely dismantle the most hazardous zones. Watching the data flow across these monitors feels like observing the heartbeat of a nation, slowly recovering from immense physical devastation. The integration of smart technology allows site managers to communicate instantly with the central hub, resolving complex issues without any delay. A dedicated team of software developers constantly refines the tracking applications, adding new features to improve the overall workflow and productivity. Every piece of heavy machinery is equipped with advanced GPS tracking devices, transmitting their exact locations back to the main servers. This continuous stream of location data helps the central command center prevent dangerous collisions and unnecessary traffic jams on the sites. The artificial intelligence system generates detailed heat maps, highlighting the areas with the highest concentration of debris and structural damage today. These colorful heat maps allow the planners to deploy their heavy equipment exactly where it is needed most at any moment. By focusing their efforts on the red zones, the cleanup crews can clear the most dangerous obstacles quickly and very efficiently. As the rubble is slowly removed, the heat map updates dynamically, shifting colors to reflect the steady progress of the operation. It is incredibly fascinating to watch the digital representation of the city transform as the physical landscape is cleared and secured. The software also calculates the optimal routes for the massive fleet of dump trucks transporting tons of concrete and twisted metal. By analyzing traffic patterns and road conditions, the system directs the trucks away from congested areas and dangerous, unstable ground conditions. This intelligent routing system significantly reduces travel time, allowing the drivers to complete more trips within their daily scheduled work shifts. Saving time on the road means that the entire demolition project can move forward at a much faster and steadier pace. The artificial intelligence constantly learns from the daily traffic data, predicting the best possible paths for the heavy transport vehicles tomorrow. Fuel consumption is a massive expense in any large-scale operation, but the smart software helps keep these costs strictly controlled. By minimizing engine idle times and optimizing the driving routes, the Central Command Center has drastically reduced the overall fuel usage. This scientific approach not only saves millions of dollars, but also significantly lowers the environmental impact of the heavy demolition machinery. The environmental benefits are just as important as the financial savings, proving that modern reconstruction can be both efficient and sustainable. Every drop of diesel fuel is accounted for, ensuring that the heavy machines operate at peak performance without any unnecessary waste. Real-time progress charts are displayed prominently on the secondary monitors, showing the exact tonnage of debris removed every single hour. These detailed graphs provide a clear visual representation of the hard work being done by the brave crews on the ground. The management team uses these performance metrics to identify any potential bottlenecks and reallocate resources to keep the project moving forward. When a specific sector falls behind schedule, the Central Operations Station immediately dispatches additional excavators to assist the struggling local teams. This proactive approach guarantees that no single demolition site is left behind, maintaining a unified momentum across the entire reconstruction campaign. The transparency provided by the digital dashboard builds deep trust among the project stakeholders and the citizens waiting for their homes. Everyone involved can clearly see the daily progress, knowing exactly how much work has been completed and what challenges still remain. This open flow of information eliminates confusion and ensures that all the distinct engineering teams are working towards the same goal. Government officials regularly visit the Central Command Center to review the data and secure additional funding for the ongoing recovery efforts. The undeniable power of hard data makes it much easier to justify the massive budget required for this historic national rebuilding. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras fly over the demolition sites, streaming live video feeds directly back to the Tehran headquarters. These aerial perspectives are combined with the ground sensor data, creating a comprehensive three-dimensional model of the entire disaster zone. The artificial intelligence analyzes the drone footage to measure the exact volume of remaining rubble, updating the master schedule with precision. It is truly remarkable how these advanced aerial robots seamlessly integrate into the daily workflow of the heavy construction and demolition. The operators can zoom in on specific structural hazards, guiding the excavator drivers safely through the most dangerous and unstable areas. In the past, site managers relied heavily on handwritten notes and verbal reports, which often led to dangerous miscommunications and delays. Today, every single observation is instantly digitized and uploaded to the secure cloud server, making the information accessible to everyone immediately. The Digital Operations Center has completely eliminated the frustrating paperwork, allowing the engineers to focus entirely on solving complex physical problems. Tablets and rugged smartphones have replaced clipboards, becoming the most essential tools for the dedicated supervisors working in the dusty fields. This seamless digital ecosystem connects the brilliant minds in Tehran with the strong hands operating the heavy machinery across the country. The artificial intelligence also plays a crucial role in maintaining the massive fleet of excavators, bulldozers, and heavy industrial dump trucks. Predictive maintenance algorithms monitor the engine temperature and hydraulic pressure of every single machine, detecting potential failures before they actually occur. When a sensor detects an anomaly, the software automatically schedules a repair session, preventing catastrophic breakdowns and expensive project delays today. The mechanics receive detailed diagnostic reports on their mobile devices, knowing exactly which parts need to be replaced or carefully adjusted. This proactive maintenance strategy maximizes the operational uptime of the heavy equipment, ensuring the demolition work never stops for too long. The Central Operations Station is active 24 hours a day, with dedicated teams working in rotating shifts to maintain control. Even during the darkest hours of the night, the glowing screens continue to track the steady progress of the night crews. Nighttime operations require even greater coordination, as limited visibility increases the risk of dangerous accidents on the messy and chaotic sites. The artificial intelligence helps mitigate these serious risks by providing enhanced situational awareness through thermal imaging and advanced radar tracking systems. The night shift operators remain highly vigilant, guiding the heavy machines safely through the darkness using the power of digital data. The sheer scale of this digital operation is absolutely unprecedented in the long history of civil engineering and disaster recovery efforts. Tehran has successfully transformed itself into a global pioneer for smart construction management, setting a new standard for future rebuilding campaigns. Experts from around the world are now studying this innovative system, hoping to replicate its incredible success in their own countries. The perfect combination of raw mechanical power and sophisticated digital intelligence has proven to be the ultimate solution for massive demolition. It is not just about tearing down old structures. It is about clearing the path for a brighter and safer future. The software even tracks the weather patterns, warning the site managers about approaching storms that could disrupt the heavy lifting operations. High winds and heavy rain can make the unstable ruins incredibly dangerous, forcing the crews to temporarily halt their vital work. By receiving accurate weather forecasts in real time, the command center can safely evacuate the workers before any severe disaster strikes. Safety is always the top priority, and the Digital Operations Center provides the necessary tools to protect every single brave worker. The constant flow of environmental data ensures that the demolition process adapts seamlessly to the unpredictable forces of wild nature daily. We are witnessing the dawn of a completely new era in the heavy construction industry, driven by data and artificial intelligence. The traditional image of a demolition worker covered in dust is now complemented by the brilliant software engineer writing complex code. These two completely different worlds have merged together, creating a highly powerful synergy that is reshaping the physical landscape of Iran. The Central Operations Station stands as a proud monument to human ingenuity and our relentless determination to overcome any massive obstacle. Every line of code and every drop of diesel fuel contributes to the grand vision of a completely rebuilt and revitalized nation. As we look closer at the detailed progress charts, the steady upward curve reveals the undeniable success of this digital strategy. Millions of tons of dangerous debris have already been safely removed, thanks to the flawless coordination provided by the command center. The artificial intelligence continues to learn and improve every single day, finding new ways to optimize the complex logistics and workflows. The future of this massive reconstruction campaign looks incredibly bright, guided by the unwavering light of scientific management and transparent data. It is a remarkable testament to what we can achieve when we combine our physical strength with our most advanced technologies. The Digital Operations Center in Tehran will forever be remembered as the brilliant brain that successfully guided this historic national recovery. The thousands of heavy machines working across the country are the strong muscles, but the smart software is the true nervous system. Together they form an unstoppable mechanical beast, slowly but surely clearing away the painful ruins of the past for new beginnings. The transparent data ensures that every single resource is utilized to its maximum potential, leaving absolutely no room for careless errors. We can clearly see the tangible results of this scientific approach in the rapidly clearing streets and the newly stabilized foundations. The power of data has transformed a seemingly impossible task into a highly manageable and incredibly successful daily routine of rebuilding. As the massive project slowly nears its final completion, the Digital Operations Center will continue to monitor every single remaining detail. The artificial intelligence will not rest until the very last piece of dangerous rubble has been safely transported out of the city. This incredible journey proves that the future of heavy demolition lies in the perfect harmony of strong machines and smart software. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating deep dive into the digital brain behind the massive reconstruction campaign in Iran. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible power of artificial intelligence and data management in the modern heavy construction industry. This is the Demolition Worker channel signing off, reminding you that true strength comes from combining smart minds with heavy muscle.